and welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually doing a request. I have a princess dress invitation on this channel already, but I made it like 4 or 5 years ago, and I just recently got a comment from someone asking, can I do another one? I went back and looked at that video and it really sucks. It's dark, you can't really see anything, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you how to make another princess dress invitation. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Also make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video, and also make sure you're following me on Instagram. I've been putting up a lot of family related things on my Instagram lately, and I also use that to tell you other things or show you other things that I have going on in my life. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a little cut off on this side, but I did that on purpose because I'm going to fold this. So when I cut this, I'm going to cut it on the fold so it's like an actual card. So this is cardstock. You can find it on Amazon. You guys know I have fallen in love with Amazon lately. The 2-day shipping is great. I don't always feel like going to the store. So that makes it perfect for me to order from Amazon, and of course I will leave the link below. So you're just going to go ahead and trace. Okay, it's best to use a pencil, that way you can just erase any lines so it's not showing on the invitation. So now that we have it cut out, it looks just like a regular card. And so what you would do would be to write the information here on the inside. And once we're all done decorating, I'll show you how to put the lines in with a ruler. But first, what I'm going to do is erase some of the pencil lines. Okay, so let's get to decorating. So I know this is pink, but I kind of want to put a little bit of blue. Now for the last one, I put a layer of tulle over it. I don't think I'm going to do that with this one. I'm just going to use some of these pearls and some ribbon. And I do have my hot glue gun just to make things go faster. Now there are several ways you can do this. You can just put a line across if that's something you want to do. Okay guys, so I actually found this piece of lace and I thought that would be really cute over it. So I took off the little pearls and I'm going to cut lace for this invitation. And see, I think that looks a little bit better than it did before. And you don't have to put the pearls back down. The lace will actually be enough. And that looks really pretty. Okay, so now it's time to put the date, the time, the place. So right here, I'm just going to put you're invited. Date, time, place, and then at the bottom RSVP. Okay. So I'm going to do the RSVP line first. Okay, and if you want to, you could put something on the other side, but this is it for today's tutorial. Again, this is what the front of our invitation looks like. If you're wondering, I purchased this, I got this silhouette for this invitation online. I just Google searched princess dress silhouettes and that's how I found this. So that's what you can do to get the style that you like. But this is just one other idea based from the other invitation I did. That one was a little bit skinnier. But I like this one a little bit better because it gave me more room to work with. And again, the inside, you can write something over here. This doesn't have to be an invitation. You could also use this silhouette for making a simple birthday card, a wedding invitation, party invitation, whatever you may like. It's really simple, really easy. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Like I said, I used Amazon to buy the sticker pearls. I had this ribbon at home already. I had the lace at home already. Only thing I had to do was buy the pastel cardstock, and it came in a variety of colors. So that works out perfectly, just in case I want to make something else. So I hope you enjoyed this video for today, guys. I know it's short, but again, I have a lot going on in my life this month, and I don't want to leave you hanging like I've been leaving you hanging for the last 2 weeks, and I'm really sorry about that, but it's been so busy. I've been sick. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know, everything that's going on in our lives. But I really appreciate you guys for sticking with me during this time. Don't give up on me because I do have a lot more stuff coming with summer coming. I do want to get into some sewing tutorials and quick tip things that you can do with your kids during the summertime. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are not already subscribed, whether you're new or old and you just haven't subscribed. Go ahead and do that now. Also, make sure to give me a like on this video, share it with your friends, because we're trying to get to 10,000 so that we can do a giveaway, which would, you know, I'm really excited to do, to show my appreciation for all of you who have stuck by me during my ups and downs with this channel. So also make sure you are following me on Instagram. My Facebook and Twitter is also down below, as well as some other links, and I will see all of you next time. Bye.